Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making the Duncan Hines signature perfectly moist lemon supreme cake. I also have the Duncan Hines season favorite creamy lemon supreme frosting. This is a perfect cake to make for the spring. Ingredients that we're going to need for this cake are 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I also have some Baker's Joy nonstick baking spray with flour. Okay guys, you want to get a large bowl. To our bowl, we're going to add in our lemon cake mix. Now we can add in our eggs, water, and also our oil. Now I'm just going to take my hand mixer. I'm going to mix our cake mix for 2 minutes. Okay, once you're done, you want to go ahead and get your cake pans. You want to spray them with your nonstick baking spray. And you also want to set your oven to 350 degrees. Now it's time to pour the cake batter into the pans. You want to make sure that your cake mix is even in both pans. We're going to put them in a 350 degree oven for 24 to 28 minutes. Our cake is now done and out the oven. We're going to let it cool off. I placed them on a wire rack to cool completely. Okay guys, so our cake has now cooled down all the way. It's time to frost it. Okay guys, so this is what our lemon cake looks like on the inside. It's nice and fluffy and moist. Okay, so now it's time to taste it. Okay guys, so this cake is also really good. And as I said, this is the best one to buy for a nice refreshing lemon flavor for the springtime. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?